Okay, so we're going to talk a little bit about how to turn in an assignment that is in OneNote class notebook, but your teacher's assigned it through Teams. So chances are, if this is an assignment that hasn't been assigned to you or hasn't been given to you in like a paper form or whatever, teacher's probably going to put it in OneNote, and it's really easy to access these files. So I just want to show you in a couple ways on how to access that, get it done, and then turn that back in. So I'm in my channel right now, as you can kind of see. I would tell you most of the time this would show up on this post page that there's an assignment, but since I only assigned it to this one child, it's going to not show you on the post page. I could go down to the backpack or down to the bottom where it says assignments, but it's going to give me assignments that are on every team that is there. Okay, so I'm going to go over to this More tab, and this will only give me the assignments that are in this particular class. So once this opens, I have only assignments that are given to me from this class. So the iPad example is the one I'm going to do. And you can kind of see right here that the teacher gives directions up at the top. And then underneath my work is a link to a OneNote page. And all your child has to do is click it, and it's going to take them right to OneNote from this, and it's going to maybe take a second or two to spin, but it should be opening up in this other program, and they all have their own copy to edit. So OneNote might take a second to kind of load up like this, and now you can see that whatever that sheet is that they're trying to share with you, or whatever the work is, your child can then access it. And the only thing they have to do in order to complete this is probably come up here to the top where it says draw, and now they can use their finger to change this, and they can now draw a line down here at the bottom. Okay, and you can certainly change the color if you'd like to. You know, sometimes they like to change that. If you need to scroll, you can just use a couple fingers and it will take you down, and you can then continue doing what you need to do. When you're finished, real easy thing for you to do is just to let the teacher know that you're done, is just double do this and then go to Teams and turn it in. So the really good news about this is their work is always saved in OneNote, so in case they forget to turn it into Teams, it's not a huge deal, but it really gives the teacher a good indicator that they've completed the assignment.